Open this tradingview.com website given in description. Now go there, go to sign in, go to sign up, go to email. Now create account with your details, then after sign in. This is the chart of the asset. This is the price chart. Now we can select any pair from here like Ethereum USD. This is Ethereum price chart. In this way we can select any pair to trade our asset. Now I going to BTC. Now go there, we can select any time frame from here like weekly trading signals and like 4 hours trading signals. Okay, now I show you how to get trading signals for intraday trading. For that, go to time frame, select 15 minutes and go to indicators. Go to indicators, search for EMA, click on moving average exponential 2 times. Now go back. Now go to first EMA. Go to settings. Go to inputs. Enter 50 in length. Go to style. Select a color, black. Now click on OK. Now go to second EMA. Select settings. Go to inputs. Enter 200 in length. Now go to style, select a color, red. Now click on OK. Now see there, black line is EMA 50 and red line is EMA 200. When EMA 50 cross downside to EMA 200 line, then we consider it downtrend started. then we can sell our asset. Similarly, when EMA 50 cross upside to EMA 200 line, then we consider it uptrend started, then we buy asset. But sometimes it's not give accurate signals or it give late signals. To reduce this issue, we need RSI buy and sell signals. For that, go to indicators and search for RSI. Click on RSI Algo Trader. Now go back. By these RSI signals, when we find buy signal, we can buy asset, and when we find sell signal, we can sell our asset. But sometimes it's give fake signals. To reduce it, we should follow another method. For that, open this technical indicator page given a description. We can select any pair from here like Ethereum, USD. In this way, we can select any pair from here. Now I go to BTC. Now scroll down, select technicals, now select 4 hours time frame. Now scroll down to moving averages. See there, this is moving averages indicator. To buy asset, we should find first strong sell indicator from here. Then after, go to chart. When we find recent buy signal, then we can buy our asset. Similarly, to sell asset, we should find first strong buy indicator from here. Then after, go to chart, and when we find recent sale signal, then we can sell our asset. Okay, by this method we can minimize risk of loss. And now I show you how to get trading signals for long-term trading. For that, go to chart, and go to time frame, select 4 hours. These are the long-term trading signals. When we find buy signal, then we buy our assets, and when we find sell signal, we can sell our assets. This is the long-term trading signals. In this way, we can trade any cryptocurrency. Okay guys, thank you.